Good morning class, welcome to your English class. Dear students, today we are going to do lesson number 20, integrated grammar practice worksheet. Dear students, here we have got set 1. In this set 1 we have got 3 exercises, exercise A, exercise B and exercise C. Exercise A tells us that in the passage given below, one word has been omitted in each line, and it has asked us to write the missing word along with the word that comes before and the word that comes after it. Let's read the passage. There is cultural event at my school next week. Here I have noticed that A is missing from here. That's why I have written is, the word which is coming before the missing letter is, and the word which is coming after the missing letter, I have written both those words, and in the missing column I have written the word which according to me is missing. Now how this line will sound? There is a cultural event at my school next week. We invited the classical musicians to perform at the event. So in this line we have written the just after invited and before classical. That's why we have written here invited the classical. And in the next line, at event, here according to me the is missing, so I have written at the event. The musicians are coming from all over the world. The, here also the is missing, so I have written over in place of before and the in place of missing, and world just another column after. There is also an exhibition of street photography by students from school. Here by the students should come, so I have written by the students here. The photographs are also available for sale. The student should be here, so I have written sale the student. The word which is coming before the missing letter and the word which is coming after the missing letter. I have written both these words, and then I have filled the missing letter, missing word also. In this line, according to me there is nothing which is missing, so that's why I have left this place vacant. If you find anything, you can write me down in the comment section. To smile foundation, to the smile foundation should be here, that's why I have written the in this missing column. Charitable organization works with the underprivileged children. Here the should come, so I have written with the underprivileged. Now we will do exercise B. Choose the correct form of the verbs to complete these sentences. First sentence, she met him as he had crossed the road. Here why we have written had crossed? We have done this because according to the rules of tenses, whenever we use past perfect and we have got two sentences, two different actions going on in the same sentence, in that condition we can use a past indefinite and a past perfect together. That's why I have chosen option B. Number 2. I was thinking about it just before you mentioned it. Was thinking. Option A is correct. Sentence number 3. Had she been practicing the piano for years? Before the released her first CD. Sorry, here it is written before she released her first CD. Option C is correct. Now we will do sentence number 4. Praveen went for a swimming after he had lunch. Here also the same condition is applied. Past indefinite is already used here. So if another action is going on in the same sentence, in that condition we will use past perfect. That's why here option B is correct. Sentence number 5. We dash for a long time. We had been playing for a long time. Because here time is being mentioned. That's why we are using past perfect continuous tense here. That's why I have chosen option C. When we realized it was past 7 o'clock. Now we will do exercise C. Rearrange these words or phrases to form meaningful sentences. First sentence is, Nitin watered the plants and went back into the room. The man with the funny hat is dancing across the street. Sentence number 2. Sentence number 3 is, the batsman scored a 6 off the last ball. Sentence number 4, the man who has 5 cats works at my sister's company. Sentence number 5, I lost the pink umbrella that my sister had gifted me. Sentence number 6 is, my aunt and uncle go fishing every now and then. Dear students, as we have finished our set number 1, now you will do your set number 2 for your homework and practice doing it. That's all for today, dear students. Thank you and have a good day.